What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got this 2019 this is the same thing with the 20 model. This is a Jeep Cherokee, not the Grand Cherokee, just the Jeep Cherokee. Now you ever thought about how to get into one of these things, or how to put it in neutral? Just making a quick video. I don't have a key for this car, but I just want to make a quick video of how to put this thing in neutral. So it's right there. It has some power, but there are no keys for this car. So how do you get this thing in neutral? You go ahead and pull this piece out, right? First thing. Then after that, you pull up, and then this will ease, right? So you need maybe two hands. Once you pull this up in the air, just to the right side, you will see there is a small knob right here. You push down. When you push down, you can easily pull back on the gear shift, right? So let me see here. Yeah, that's it. So you push down. I'm gonna use only one hand to do this camera. So you push down, and then you just easily can control this thing, and then that's how you can move it in the gear. All right, that's all I'm doing right there. It's just showing you guys how to put this thing in neutral with no keys. All right, no key, no power. Peace.